Hi, welcome to the parallel universe. In this video we will derive equation of motion by graphical method. To derive equation of motion, let us consider the VT graph where time t is plotted along independent axis, i.e., horizontal axis, and the velocity v is plotted along vertical or dependent axis as shown in figure. Here u is representing initial velocity and v is representing final velocity after a time interval t. The slope of line up will indicate acceleration, a, and the area under trapezium O, A, B, C, D will represent displacement. This area can be represented in two different ways. First method. Add the area of rectangle OACD and area of triangle ABC. As per the given diagram, area of red rectangle will be length into breadth, that is u, t, and the area of green triangle will be half into base into height, which will be equal to half into base, that is t, into height, that is v minus u. Now since v is equal to u plus a, t, therefore, v minus u can be written as a, t. Thus, the area of the green triangle will be half into t, into a t, or we can say half a t square. Therefore, the total area will be u t plus half a t square, which is equal to displacement.
Second method. Another way to calculate area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel to sides into perpendicular distance between them. Here B, D and O, A are parallel to each other. Therefore, the area of the trapezium will be half into sum of parallel to sides, that is, B, D and O, A, into perpendicular distance between them, that is O, D. Now, B, D is representing final velocity V and O, A is representing initial velocity U, and O, D is representing time t. Substituting the value of t in terms of U and V with the help of equation V is equal to U plus A, T, we get the total area of the trapezium as half into V plus U into V minus U by A. Using identity, we can rewrite the equation as V square minus U square by 2A, which is equal to displacement S. Finally, we can write V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like and share this video. And subscribe to our channel for more such contents. Take care, we will be back soon with such more videos. Bye.